What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I am bringing to you guys the 5-strand infinity braid tie back on locks. So if you like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Alright family, so to get started with this style, the first thing that you want to do is just take your hair and bring it to the back, just like this. You want to go ahead and take the side portion of your hair just like this, as if you were doing a cornrow, and just separate it out. All right, you want to do the same thing on the other side. On the other side, I have a section of hair separated, just like I was doing a cornrow. So I'm holding this middle section here, which will be coming straight back. Okay, you have your two side sections that you separated just like this, and then you're going to take this middle section here and you're going to separate it into 3 sections, and you're going to put a rubber band on it just like this. All right family, so now that we have our sections separated, we're going to go ahead and get started. Keep in mind that we're only pulling sections of hair from both of these sections here. We will not at any point during this style pull sections from these middle sections that have the rubber band. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this style. We're going to take a lock from the right, we're going to bring it over, under that second section, over this middle section, under this section. Okay, then we are going to take this lock and bring it around this section on the left. We are going to go over this section, under this section. Okay, we're going to go over this section, under this section on the right. Okay, you can see our 5 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With this lock here, we're going to go ahead and overlap, and to do that, what we do is take a new lock, lay this one down, overlap that one, and continue. This goes over, under, okay, over, under, okay. Then on this left side, we go around, over, bring it around, under, and continue. And end the 5-strand infinity braid. So with this last lock, I'm just going to bring it around, wrap it around. It's going to go under, it's going to go over, and then under this middle section, just behind this middle section here, I'm going to take 2 locks. Okay, I'm going to take that one lock that I overlapped, and I'm just going to put a rubber band on there, just like so. Just like that. I'm going to bring that middle section down. Go ahead and tighten that up. Let that hang down, just like so. And there you have it, a super cute and easy way to tie your hair back Maybe you've just finished your maintenance and you want your hair out of your face. Try this super easy tie back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this 5-strand infinity braid tie back on Locs. Hit the like button, share this video wherever you share cool stuff, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Subscribe. Y'all know I rap with y'all a long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.